Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make a landing page using Bootstrap 5. Begin by linking Bootstrap's CSS and JavaScript files in your HTML document's head section. This crucial step enables all Bootstrap styles and functionalities. Next, establish a responsive container, like Container Fluid, to house your page's content. Immediately follow this with a well-structured navigation bar, utilizing Bootstrap's navbar component. This initial setup provides the essential framework for your landing page, ensuring a solid foundation for further development. Now, let's structure your page. Employ Bootstrap's powerful grid system, using row and call classes to create flexible, responsive layouts across various screen sizes. Design a prominent hero section at the top, featuring a compelling headline and a clear call-to-action button. Integrate dynamic components like image carousels or feature cards to showcase key information. This modular approach ensures your content is well-organized and visually appealing, guiding visitors effectively through your message. Next, focus on populating your page with engaging content. Add high-quality images, compelling text, and relevant icons to each section. Customize Bootstrap's default appearance using utility classes for spacing, colors, and typography. For more specific changes, write custom CSS, ensuring it complements Bootstrap's framework. Always prioritize accessibility, making sure your design is usable for everyone. This step brings your landing page to life with your unique brand identity. Finally, ensure your landing page is polished and performs excellently. Rigorously test its responsiveness across various devices, from small phones to large desktops, using developer tools. Optimize all images and code for faster loading times, aiming for a load speed under 3 seconds. Conclude with a clear, informative footer containing essential links like privacy policy and contact information. These final touches guarantee a professional, user-friendly experience for every visitor.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.